Hello student, today we start the new topic of our syllabus is the application of group theory to vibrational spectroscopy, that is the IR spectroscopy. Here also the point Raman spectroscopy, but our syllabus there is only infrared spectroscopy is given. When the molecule can undergo vibrational changes, the vibrational states are quantized and each one corresponds to a specific amount of energy. Here the vibrational levels are given in that graph, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the vibrational level. This is the fundamental level 0 to 1, and this is the 0 to 2 and 0 to 3. These are the forbidden transition and called as the first overtone band and the second overtone band. At each point in a vibrational level, the total energy is same, that is potential energy plus kinetic energy. At the extreme end, that is the stretching or compressing असेल किंवा स्ट्रेचिंग असेल तर ती एनर्जी तेव्हा काय असते त्याची, इट इज अ पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. अँड ॲट इक्विलिब्रियम डिस्टन्स दिस द कायनेटिक एनर्जी, अँड ॲट ऑल अदर पॉईंट इट इज द कायनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस द potential energy. Here the energy of vibrational level is given, that is E nu is equal to H nu plus V plus half. V काय असणार आहे तर vibrational quantum number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that graph is given. Then H nu is the energy difference between the ground and the first vibrational level. H nu काय असणार आहे तर energy difference between the ground and the first vibrational level. Thus it can be seen that even at the ground vibrational level, that is the V is equal to 0, at the vibrational level the vibrational energy is not 0 because of that energy difference between ground and the first vibrational level, and therefore the vibrational energy of the ground vibrational level is not 0. Then the selection rule, the most important point for examination is the selection rule. The selection rule says in homodiatomic molecule there is no change in the dipole moment following the stretching, and hence this is not shows any IR absorption, and it is the IR inactive. That is the जर homodiatomic molecule असेल तर त्याच्या मॅग्निट्यूडमध्ये डायपोल मोमेंटमध्ये काहीच चेंज होत नाही when the stretching, and hence this is the IR inactive. But in heterodiatomic molecule during the stretching it brings change in the magnitude of dipole moment. मग डायपोल मोमेंटमध्ये चेंज होते म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे, IR ॲक्टिव्ह. फॉर द IR absorption to takes place, the necessary condition is that there should be change in the magnitude or direction of the dipole moment. जर डायपोल मोमेंटमध्ये चेंज झालेला, डायरेक्शन ऑफ द डायपोल मोमेंट चेंजेस, then it is the IR active. When it does not changes, then it is the IR inactive. And therefore in selection rule says the homodiatomic molecule are the IR inactive and the heterodiatomic molecule are the IR active. Then the second selection rule is the delta V is equal to plus minus 1. During the excitation the necessary condition is the delta V is equal to plus minus 1. You know that the V is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. म्हणजे जर ट्रान्झिशन हे 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 असेल तर ते काय असेल, कॉमन ट्रान्झिशन, दॅट इज द डेल्टा V is equal to plus minus 1. But when the transitions are nu 0 to nu 2, that is 0 to 2, 0 to 3, and these transitions are the forbidden transition. These 0 to 1, 1 to 2, these transitions are the most common, and the intensity of such a band is more, and the band frequency is called as the fundamental frequency. But when the forbidden transition occurs, then the intensity of such a band is lower and it is called as the first and the second overtone. In graph it is shown first overtone band, the overtone band, this is the second overtone band, and this is the common 0 to 1, that is the delta nu is equal to plus minus 1. This is the fundamental frequency. Then the polyatomic molecules, this is the most important also. The total number of vibrations in non-linear molecule and the linear molecule. The total number of vibrations in non-linear molecule is the 3n minus 6, and the total number of vibrations in linear molecule is 3n minus 5. This 3n is base, and how it is? In case of polyatomic molecule, there may be several stretching vibrational modes, and there are bending vibrational possible. In a molecule with n number of atoms, each atom has 3 degrees of freedom, that is x, y and the z axis, and hence there should be 3n number of vibrations are the possible, and therefore it is the 3n. In case of non-linear molecule it is 6, and in case of the linear molecule it is 5. Then the possible vibrations in the bent molecule and the linear molecule. First we see in the bent molecule. First is the symmetrical stretching. Here it is Ab2 molecule. If the molecule is the Ab2, then the symmetrical stretching is occur in that way, ABB and the ABB. Here in first example compressing occurs, and in second stretching occurs, that is the both sides are stretched or compressed together simultaneously, and this is called as the symmetrical stretching. Then the asymmetrical stretching. In first example one band is stretching and other is compressing. Also in second example same, one is stretching and one is compressing. It is called as the asymmetrical stretching. Then the bending in plane. Bending in plane having two types, scissoring and the rocking. The molecule undergoes bending vibration but all the atoms are maintained in the same plane. म्हणजे काय होणार, इथं व्हायब्रेशन्स होणार, ॲटम्समध्ये व्हायब्रेशन्स होणार, बट दे आर रिमेनिंग इन सेम प्लेन. फर्स्ट वन इज द सिझरिंग. म्हणजे काय तर ते दोघं ॲटम्स आहे जे AB2 टाईपमधले ते 2 B ॲटम्स आहे ते काय होणार, बेंड होणार. एकतर ते काय होणार सेम वेने किंवा ऑपोजिट वेने ते बेंड होतात, त्याच्यामुळे त्याला सिझरिंग म्हणतो. आणि सेम वेने जेव्हा ते व्हायब्रेट होतात किंवा बेंड होतात त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, रॉकिंग व्हायब्रेशन. आणि फोर्थ इज द बेंडिंग आउट ऑफ प्लेन, इज हॅव्हिंग द 2 टाइप्स ऑल्सो, वॅगिंग अँड ट्विस्टिंग. वॅगिंग मीन्स द in this mode of bending the atoms do not remain in same plane. बेंडिंग मध्ये काय तर बेंडिंग इन प्लेन म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये मॉलिक्यूल रिमेन इन द प्लेन, बट इन वॅगिंग अँड ट्विस्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स the atoms of molecules are do not remain in the same plane, and these having 2 types, wagging and twisting. Plus and minus sign. Plus sign shows the atom is going above the plane, and the minus sign shows atoms going below the plane of the molecule. Here see AB2 type. In wagging, A goes upward direction and B plus goes below the plane. Here twisting. In twisting, 1B plus is going above the plane and 1B minus going below the plane, and therefore it is called as the twisting vibration. Then the possible vibrations in the linear molecule. It is also having symmetrical, asymmetrical stretching and the bending, that is scissoring, rocking, wagging and twisting. First we see the symmetrical stretching. This is the AB2, linear AB2 molecule. Either molecules stretch or compress together. Then in asymmetrical stretching, one is compressed and another is stretched. Then bending modes, that is first one is the scissoring, that is both B are bent opposite direction. Then rocking, same direction. Then wagging, that is both B are goes above the plane and or the below the plane. And in twisting, one B is goes above the plane and one B goes below the plane. These are the vibrations in the linear and the bent molecule. Today we stop here. In next lecture we study the symmetries of vibrations and their higher activity and the problems on there. Today we stop here. Thank you.